Here I have OPPO A78 5G, and today I'm going to show you how to change screen timeout on this device. So to do this, firstly you have to open settings, then you have to go to the display and brightness section, and here you can find auto screen off. You can set it to 15 or 30 seconds, to 1, 2, 5, 10 or even 30 minutes. I'll set it on 2 and it will be more than enough. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.